Simply did was to perform his duty as the chairman, House Committee on Business and Rules. And he has laid the documents before the House of Assembly, drawing our attention to the fact that these documents are in our possession. And House Rules, particularly Order 23, has stipulated what should happen. Honorable members, we are duty-bound to investigate when there are possible or even infractions on the law or the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The documents that has just been tendered today are suggestive of age falsification by the Chief Judge of Rivers State, Honorable Justice Simeon Amadi, DSSRS. Like I said, they are only indicative. This House cannot conclude that they are true or false. What it means is that there has to be an investigation. There has to be an investigation. Like the Honorable Franklin Wabochi pointed out, His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, has directed civil servants, in fact, all government officials in Rivers State, never to appear before this assembly, never to answer questions, never to help this very constituted Rivers State House of Assembly, In fact, let me put it this way. The governor has said to all of them, don't appear to the assembly, don't answer their questions, don't honor their invitations, don't assist them in investigations. With that directive in place, most of them refuse when we summon them to appear here, which is why this assembly is resorting to federal agencies to assist us. If they were appearing before us or assisting us in investigations, probably would have started looking at how to look at the records. But since they don't come, we will work with what we have. And as it has been rightly suggested, a letter to the Director General of the Department of State Security will suffice in this case. And that's the suggestion of the House. I'm going to divide the House so that we'll decide one way or the other, going by the contributions of members on this particular matter. So I put it this way. Members who are in support that a formal letter be written to the Director General of the Department of State Security requesting the Department of State Security, that is the DSS, to assist the Rivers State House of Assembly in this investigation regarding the purported age falsification by the Honorable Justice Simeon Amadi, the Chief Judge of Rivers State, should indicate by raising their hands. Against. Distinguished colleagues, those for 24. Against, nil. Abstention, nil. By this voting, honorable members, the House has therefore resolved that a letter be written to the Director General of the Department of State Security requesting the DG to assist the Rivers State House of Assembly in investigating the allegation of age falsification by the Honorable Chief Judge of Rivers State, Honorable Justice Simeon Amadi, DSS RS, and that we will request the DG to forward the reports to this House after the investigations are concluded, so that the House will decide one way or the other whether or not to do a formal letter to the National Judicial Council, NJC, or not. Distinguished colleagues, this is the resolution of this House. Clerk, what do we have on the other paper?